Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to buy USDT on Binance. So if you're among those searching for how to buy USDT on Binance, stay with me in this video to the end, as I'll be taking you step by step on how you can buy USDT on Binance. Please like, subscribe and drop your question in the comment section. In case if you want me to attend to you, drop your question in the comment section so as I will always get back to you. But please don't forget to share this video to your friends who may also be searching for how to buy USDT on Binance. So the first thing you need to do now is to go straight to your Binance mobile app. So here you see we are already in Binance homepage. Right now we are in Binance Lite. So to switch over to Binance Pro, you click on this head, click on this place which is showing you head. Then you see Binance Pro. You click on it to switch to Binance Pro. Alright, you can see we are already in Binance homepage in Binance Pro. So to buy USDT now, you must be at the home page. Down here you see home, markets, trade, futures and wallets. You must be on home. So right here you see Binance Academy, deposit and referral and more. So what you have to do is to locate the P2P or Binance P2P. So in case if you did not see it in the home page here, you come over to this place and click on more. So here you can see spot, futures, option, trading bots, P2P. We are looking for P2P because we want to buy USD through P2P. So what you have to do now is to click on P2P. So you can see the risks notice. Due to the nationwide network issue in Nigeria, banks may take up to 2 business days to process the payment. Please communicate with your counterpart and your bank to check payment status. If the payment has not been credited after 2 days, please start an appeal process in the order. Sellers should not release crypto if they didn't receive the payment. Then after reading, you say I have read and agreed the above content. You click on this place and then confirm. So right here now you can see the number of sellers who we are willing to buy from. So the question now is, how will you locate the ones active now? In case if the amount of USDT you want to buy is not here, what you have to do is to click on filter. So here you type the amounts of crypto you want to buy in cash. Let's say we want to buy 10,000 worth of USDT and we did not see it in the home page. What you have to do is to type 10,000 naira here. Based on your currency, my own currency is in naira, then I'll put it here 10,000. After that you click on confirm. So right here now all you'll be seeing are those selling starting from 10,000 USDT and above. You can see those people you are seeing here are those selling USDT worth of 10,000 naira. So you can go ahead and buy from any of them here. But since we want those who are active now, or we want the person who will attend to us right now, what you have to do is just to click on Express. So in Express here you see USDT, BTC, BUSD, BNB and rest of them. In case if this here is in BTC, BUSD, BNB or any of these, what you have to do is to click on USDT. And remember, you want to buy USDT, you don't want to sell. Here is for the sellers, you want to buy, so you must be on the buy. So right down here is where you are going to type the number of USDT you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy 100 USDT. So we type 100 USDT here and then click on buy with 0 fee. So you can see here that for us to buy 100 USDT, we are required to pay 92,789 naira. so as we can receive 100 USDT. So right down here is your payment method, bank transfer or instant bank transfer. So I'm going to choose the best offer is bank transfer. So now what do we want to, let's say we don't want to pay this 89 naira at the left. What we are going to do is go back to that place and type in 92,700 by cash. So all you have to do is to click on this place so as you can type by cash. So you click here, you see by cash. Then because the amount needed for us to buy 100 units, what we want to buy now is 92,700. You type in 92,700. So after that you click on buy with zero fee. So you see, because of the 89 naira we remove, it has reduced the number of USDT we are going to receive now is no more equivalent to 100 USDT but 99.9 USDT. So all you have to do now is to click on confirm purchase. So Binance will now use it and check the person who is active now, who will attend to you quickly or instantly. So you can see here, you see order created per seller within 15 minutes. So you see here make payment, cancel. So you click on this chart now to see there is a requirement. You can see make payment. Online, drop your active phone line please. I strictly don't accept third party. Paying from it may lead to loss of funds, so be guided please. Follow me for fast trade. Always do drop positive feedback. Nice trading with Binance. Gracious. So what you have to do now is to click on payment so as you can see the details of the seller. Click on make payment. So here are the details of the seller. Here you see the name of the seller, the bank account number and bank name. So all you have to do now is to copy the account number. Then after transferring, you come back here and click transfer, notify seller. So you see here, you see ensure the payment is successful, then click button below, notify the seller. So let's go ahead now and copy the account number. The bank name is PalmPay, so the name is Abubakar Dabai Lawa. So let's go straight now to my bank mobile app. Let's do the transfer. So in my mobile app now, here is the account number. We paste it here. So you can see PalmPay. We select PalmPay. Then you can see the name Abubakar Dabai Lawa. What I want to send is 92,700. But I always advise, before you make the transfer, please go back to that place and click on transferred, notify seller. You can see transferred, notify seller. You click on it and then come back and make the transfer. You see 92,700 will confirm and pay. Successful. Alright. So you come back now. Since we have transferred the money now, all you have to do now is to come back here and then tell him release my coin. I have made payment. You see that? Then you send. Within some minutes, the seller will confirm your payment and then send your coin to your wallet. So that's all about how to buy USDT on Binance. Please, if you really got value in this video, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question and you may want me to attend to you, please drop it in the comment section so as I will always get back to you. And don't forget to share this video to your loved ones who may also be searching for how to buy USDT on Binance. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.